Lubricating center pins. You may be wondering why I would narrate a video about center pins. I narrate damn well near everything else, so why not? Now here we've got some PFPE, perfluoropolyether. Now that just rolls right off the tongue. Does this stuff have like a street name? Fomblin. Fomblin. Now that's a stupid name. I think you should call it Captain Slick's Magic Hammer Sauce. At least it's affordable, right? $30 for 4 ounces? That sounds insane. For that price, I hope it works really well. Look at that. Well, now I'm impressed. So, friends, whether you're up to your eyeballs in verdigris, or you just need to unstick some frozen center pins, I suggest you get on over to supply88.com. Order yourself some of this PFPE Fomblin. Fomblin. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So long. Are we finished? Can I go now?